Hi mga wonders. So for today's video, let's continue the divisibility rules. Last time we discussed about the divisibility by 2, by 3, by 4, and by 5. And now let's proceed to the continuation. We said that a number is divisible by another number if it can be divided exactly by that number without leaving a remainder. And that is the divisibility rules. Okay, and we also said that the divisibility test is a quick method for checking whether one number is divisible by another number. And now let's proceed to divisibility rules by 6. So if the number is divisible by 6, it should be divisible both by 2 and 3. So let's have an example. So let's have a recap regarding the numbers that is divisible by 2 first. So we said that a number is divisible by 2 if it's even number. Okay, the number is even. Like for example, 18. So 18 is an even number, and 18 is divisible by 2, which is 9. So and then 18, when you if number is divisible by 3, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. So 18, so 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So therefore, 18 is divisible by 6 by simply applying the rules in divisibility rules by 2 and by 3. Okay, so 18 divided by 6, which is 3, and that is correct. Let's have another one. Let's say we have 3,492. So this number ends with 2, yeah, and 2 is an even number. So therefore, 3,492 is an even number. Okay, and let's test it with divisibility rules by 3 by adding the sum of their digits, which is 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2, and 3 plus 4 is 7, and 9 plus 2 is 11. Then 7 plus 11 is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3, right? Which is 6. So from that rules, we can conclude that 3,492 is divisible by 6. And now let's move on to divisibility rules by 7. So it states that if the difference between twice the unit digit of the given number and the remaining part of the given number should be a multiple of 7, or it should be equal to 0. Actually, there is no simple divisibility test for 7. Okay, so try to pay attention in here in this rule. So let's have an example. Let's say we have 798. Okay, do you think it is divisible by 7? So let's test it. So in 798, the last digit or the unit digit is 8, right? And then 79 is the remaining part of the number. So let's double 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. That's what we call twice. Twice means double. So 79 is the remaining part. So 79 minus 16 is equal to 63. And 63 is a multiple of 7, which is 7 times 9, right? So therefore, 798 is divisible by 7. Okay, let's have another one. Let's say you have 119. So the unit part or the last digit is 9. Double it, 9 times 2 is equal to 18. and then the remaining part is 11, and then 11 minus 18 is negative 7. For negative 7 is a multiple of 7 already, right? So therefore, 119 is divisible by 7. Okay, let's move on to divisibility by 8. So the number made by the last three digits is divisible by 8, and that number is divisible by 8. So let's have an example. Let's say you have, or we have 1224. So it's 224 divided by 8 is 28. Let's check. 224 divided by 8. So 22 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 22 minus 16 is 6. Bring down 64. And then 64 divided by 8 is 8. And that is correct. So 224 divided by 8 is 28. So therefore, 1224 divided by 8 is divisible by 8. Okay, let's have another example. If you have 1792, so the last three digit is 792. Now let's test if 792 is divisible by 8. So 79 divided by 8 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. 79 minus 72 is 7. Bring down 2. 72. So that's 9 again. 9 times 8 is 72. So therefore 792 is divisible by 8, which is 99. So to conclude that, 1792 divided by 8 is correct. It is divisible by 8. So last example, if you have 2000 and then you want to know if it's divisible by 8, get the last three digit. So the last three digit is 0 divided by 8, which is 0. So therefore we can simply conclude that 2000 is divisible by 8. Okay, so when you divide 2000 divided by 8, you will get 250. All right. So for divisibility rules by 9, divisibility by 9, it states that if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. So it's similar to divisibility by 3. Let's have an example. So let's say you have 9216. So you get the sum of the digit 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6. So 9 plus 2 is 11, and then 1 plus 6 is 7. 11 plus 7 is 18. So 18 is divisible by 9, yeah, which is 2. So therefore, 9216 is divisible by 9, which is equal to 1024. Another example, if you have 7209, so add the digit 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. And then 0 plus 9 is 9. Then 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So again, 18 is divisible by 9, which is 2. Therefore, 7209 is divisible by 9, which is 801. And that is correct. That number is divisible by 9. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So it will help us a lot. Till the next video. Bye bye.